All right, everybody, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive? Today we're tackling something a little different.
Different good or different? Uh-oh.
Definitely good different. We're looking into a course from the Academy of Construction, that group that does all those online courses.
I've seen some of their stuff. Usually pretty interesting. What's this one about?
This one is about home organization and cleaning. But get this, they're calling it the art of tidying and cleaning. Art. Like a museum piece.
Whoa, that's a bold claim. I mean, we all want a clean house, but art. I'm intrigued. Gotta admit.
Me too. They've got this promo clip for the course, and the speaker is super upbeat about it.
All right.
I'm going to play a little bit, see what you think. It's in Arabic, though, so listen to how enthusiastic they sound.
Okay, let's hear it.
Plays short excerpt of Arabic audio focusing on the inviting tone.
Wow, yeah, they definitely sound like they're passionate about clean houses. I mean, I get it. A clean house feels good, but they sound like they're on a mission.
Totally. And don't you think it's something we all struggle with? Like, we want a clean and organized home, but who has time to be scrubbing and sorting 24/7?
Yeah, absolutely. It's finding that balance, right? Like, I want to enjoy my space, but I also don't want to spend every free minute cleaning.
So this course is saying it's not about magic, but about knowledge. Like, if you know the right way to do things, it's not this huge burden.
Okay, so what kind of knowledge are they talking about? Spill the beans.
So they talk about practical skills, the nuts and bolts of cleaning, how to deep clean the kitchen, the bedrooms, the living room, everything.
Okay, that makes sense. Got to know the basics.
Hmm.
But is it just like, here's how to scrub a toilet, here's how to dust a shelf? I mean, I kind of already know that.
Right, but they take it a step further. They emphasize daily habits. So it's not just about cleaning, it's about building habits that maintain that clean, organized feeling.
So, like, putting things away as soon as you're done with them instead of letting clutter pile up?
Exactly. Or, I don't know, maybe it's making your bed every morning or wiping down the counters after every meal. Little things that become automatic so it's not this huge cleaning frenzy all the time.
Interesting. Like building cleaning muscle memory almost. And they're connecting this to well-being. Like a clean, organized home leads to personal well-being, family happiness, and cherished memories. They even talk about how a tidy home creates lasting positive memories for kids.
Right. It's like your kids grow up and they remember that tidy, happy home. But, part of me wonders if it's really that simple. I mean, some of my best childhood memories are from big, messy family get-togethers. Chaos everywhere, but everyone's having fun.
Yeah, good point. Maybe it's not about being perfectly spotless all the time, but about creating a space that generally feels good to be in. Like, yeah, sometimes life is messy, literally, but having a foundation of organization can make those messy times more manageable.
Right. And speaking of managing things, did you catch the discount code they slipped in there?
Oh yeah, AMA 15 for 15% off. Not just this course, but all their courses. Pretty smart marketing, gotta give them that.
Okay, so we see the emotional appeal, the well-being, the happy memories. But I'm curious about the how. Do they give any hints about the specific techniques or daily habits they teach?
Unfortunately, this little clip doesn't really get into the nitty-gritty. They do say you'll learn to maintain cleanliness and order with the least possible effort. Now that's a promise I want to see delivered.
Tell me about it. Least possible effort.
Hmm.
That's my kind of cleaning. I mean, I try, but sometimes it feels like a losing battle. You clean, and then bam, it's a mess again.
Oh yeah, we've all been there. It's a universal struggle.
So remember how we started? Wondering if cleaning and organizing could actually be considered an art. It seems like this course is saying yes, in a way. Like it's about intentionally creating a space that contributes to your well-being.
I think that's a great way to put it. It's not just about the look, it's about the feel. It's about how your home impacts you and your family.
Absolutely. So what do you think? If you could make one tiny change today, one little step towards a more enjoyable living space, what would it be? And what do you think our listeners should try?
I think I'm going to try to do a quick declutter of my desk every night before bed, just 5 minutes to get things back in order.
That's a great one. For me, I think I'm going to try that thing we were talking about, putting things away immediately after I'm done with them. No more, I'll deal with it later, piles. If we can all find those little changes, those little shifts that make our homes feel more like sanctuaries, well, that's a pretty artful way to live, don't you think?
Couldn't agree more. It's been great diving into this with you, and we'll see everyone next time for another deep dive.
Until then, happy cleaning. Or, well, happy organizing.
Or both.
Yeah, both.
Yeah.